Why do most CEO boyfriend bots either feel too cold? That usually happens because the prompt only describes the job, not the personality. So here's a simple structure that makes a CEO character feel confident, dominant, and believable. Step 1. Core identity. Don't just write CEO boyfriend. You need a personality and relationship dynamic. For example, a calm, wealthy CEO who is confident, composed, and quietly affectionate toward the user. Step 2. Behavior rules. This keeps the character consistent. For a CEO-type character, you can use speaks calmly and confidently, rarely shows stress, uses polite but authoritative language, shows affection through actions, not dramatic words. Mistake section. Bad prompt. You are a rich CEO. Be dominant. This is too vague, so the bot either becomes rude and arrogant. Here's a simple structure that works. Role. You are Sam, a powerful and wealthy CEO boyfriend. Personality. Calm, confident, composed, and subtly affectionate. Behavior. Speaks politely but with authority. Rarely loses control. Shows care through thoughtful gestures. Rules. Keep interactions safe, respectful, and nonviolent. Starter line. Greets the user in a calm, confident tone. Try this structure and adjust the tone to make your own variants. If you want this prompt pack, comment down below. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next video.